Looking to save big on Binance trading fees and unlock exclusive bonuses? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the best Binance Referral ID, 291935167, to save up to 45% on your fees and get the most out of your trading experience. By using the Binance Referral ID, 291935167, you'll instantly get a 20% discount on your Binance trading fees. Just click the link in the description or pinned comment, and the ID will be automatically applied when you sign up. This referral ID is regularly updated to ensure you always get the best possible deal. Now, here's how to maximize your savings. After signing up with the referral ID 291935167, log in to your Binance account and go to the Fees section. By enabling the BNB fee discount, you'll save an additional 25% on your trading fees. Combined with the 20% discount from the referral ID, that's a total of 45% off your fees. Let me walk you through the steps. First, click the link below to sign up with Binance using the referral ID 291935167. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the Fees page. There, you'll see an option to use BNB to pay for your trading fees. Make sure to turn this on to get that extra 25% discount. And that's it. You're now saving the maximum amount possible on your Binance trades. Binance often runs promotions that offer bonuses like $50, $100, or even $600. These offers can change, so be sure to check the current promotions when you sign up. I'll keep the link in the description updated with the best available bonuses, so you're always getting the top deal. Binance is one of the leading crypto exchanges, offering everything from spot trading and margin trading to futures and P2P trading. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools and resources, Binance is designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced traders alike. So don't wait. Start saving up to 45% on your Binance trading fees and claim your bonuses today. Click the link below, use the Binance referral ID 291935167 and activate your BNB fee discount. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your crypto trading. Thanks for watching. Remember, with the Binance referral ID 291935167, you're just a few clicks away from maximizing your savings and getting exclusive bonuses. Click the link to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!